Hello everyone, welcome to online class. Today is 16 September and I will cover all the current affairs of the day with details. Don't skip the video, you may miss the details of the current affairs and watch from beginning to end of the video. Let's start the video. Question 1. Which organization has been directed to suspend recruitment for Oxford vaccine trial? A option, Health Ministry. B option, Serum Institute of India. C option, WHO. D option, none of the these. And the right answer is B option, Serum Institute of India. Drug Controller General of India, which is the country's apex drug regulator, has directed Serum Institute of India (SII) to suspend the new recruitments which were about to happen for recent phase 2 and 3 clinical trials of the Oxford COVID-19 vaccine till further orders. Let us know more about Serum Institute of India. It is a company and the founders are Cyrus S. Poonawalla and it is founded in 1966 and the headquarters of Serum Institute of India is in Pune. Second question, who took part in a program called Griha Pravesh? The program was organized under Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. A option, Amit Shah. B option, Narendra Modi. C option, Yogi Adityanath. D option, Arvind Kejriwal. And the right answer is B option, Narendra Modi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi took part in a program called Griha Pravesh. The program was organized under Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana and the program fulfills the Modi government agenda of housing for all by 2022 and the program was live telecasted in 16,440 gram panchayat and 26,548 villages. Third question, Engineers Day is observed every year on dash. A option 8 September, B option 10 September, C option 14 September, D option 15 September. And the right answer is 15 September. Engineers Day is observed every year on 15 September. The Engineers Day marks the birth anniversary of Sir Moksha Gundam Visvesvaraya, who is popularly known as Sir MV, and it is important to note that National Thermal Engineers Day is observed on 24th July. If related to other option, is 8th of September is observed as International Literacy Day and 10th September is observed as World Suicide Prevention Day. 14th September is observed as Hindi Divas Day. Fifth question, who among the following has been elected as the chairman of the Board of Governors of the Advertising Standard Council of India? A option, Subhash Kamath. B option, Pradeep Desai. C option, Sanjeev Rao. D option, Prakash Deswal. And the right answer is A option, Subhash Kamath. Subhash Kamath has been elected as the chairman of the Board of Governors of the Advertising Standard Council of India. Subhash Kamath, who was serving as Advertising Standard Council of India Vice President, will replace Rohit Gupta, who is the President, Sony Pictures Networks. Next question, which of the following state has recently launched Smart Ration Card Scheme? A option, Bihar. B option, Punjab. C option, Rajasthan. D option, Telangana. The right answer is B option, Punjab as recently launched Smart Ration Card Scheme. Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amarinder Singh launched the Smart Ration Card Scheme to cover 1.41 crore beneficiaries across the state. He also launched a separate state-funded scheme to provide subsidized ration to the 9 lakh beneficiaries who were not covered under the National Food Security Act. Let us know more about the state Punjab. The capital of Punjab is Chandigarh and the largest city of Punjab is Ludhiana. The governor of Punjab is VP Singh Badnoor and the chief minister of Punjab is Amarinder Singh. Next question. Yoshihide Suga has been elected as the new prime minister of Dash. A option Lebanon, B option Maldives, C option Japan, D option Vietnam. And the right answer is C option Japan. Yoshihide Suga has been elected as the new prime minister of Japan. And the previous prime minister was Shinzo Abe, who recently resigned due to his critical illness. The capital of Japan is Tokyo and the Tokyo is also the largest city of Japan. The currency of Japan is Japanese yen. Next question. Which of the following Indian film won Best Screenplay Award at Venice Film Festival 2020? A option The World to Come, B option The Man Who Sold His Skin, C option The Disciple, D option Shiva Baby. And right answer is C option The Disciple has won the Best Screenplay Award at Venice Film Festival 2020. The Disciple was a Marathi language film who has bagged the prestigious Press Award for Best Screenplay at the 77th Venice Film Festival, and the film has been written and directed by Mumbai-based filmmaker Chaitanya Tamhan. The film The Disciple is the first Indian film to have been selected in a major competition category at a European festival in 20 years after Mira's 9 Monsoon Wedding in 2001. Next question. Which state launched YSR Asara scheme for empowering women? A option Andhra Pradesh, B option Telangana, C option Tamil Nadu, D option Karnataka. And the right answer is A option Andhra Pradesh has launched YSR Asara scheme for empowering women. There are three capitals of Andhra Pradesh. One is executive, the legislative and judicial. The executive capital of Andhra Pradesh is Visakhapatnam and the legislative capital of Andhra Pradesh is Amravati and the judicial capital of Andhra Pradesh is Kunnur. The governor is Vishwabhushan Harichandan and the chief minister is Y.S. Jagannath Reddy. Next question. In which state India's first airport coronavirus testing facility will be launched? A option Gujarat, B option Karnataka, C option Delhi, B option Punjab. And the right answer is C option. Delhi will be the India's first airport coronavirus testing facility. Let us know more about Delhi. Now, the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi is Anil Baijal and the Chief Minister of Delhi is Arvind Kejriwal. Next question. Which will be the official partner of IPL 2020? A option Paytm, B option Tata Approach, C option Dream 11, D option Unacademy. And right answer is B option Tata Approach will be the official partner of IPL 2020. Tata Approach is an company and the manufacturer of Tata Approach is Tata Motors, and the assembly of Tata Approach is in Pune. Next question. Who has won Tuscan Grand Prix? A option Valtteri Bottas, B option Alexander Albon, C option Lewis Hamilton, D option none of the above. And the right answer is C option. Lewis Hamilton has won the Tuscan Grand Prix. Mercedes Lewis Hamilton, who belonged to Britain, has won the Tuscan Grand Prix 2020 which is held at the Mugello Circuit, Italy, and the Mercedes Valtteri Bottas, who belong to Finland, finished second, and while the Red Bulls Alexander Albon Ansu Sinha, who belong to Thailand, finished third in the Tuscan Grand Prix 2020. Let us know more about Italy. The president of Italy is Sergio Mattarella, and the capital of Italy is Rome, and the currency of Italy is euro. Next question. Recently, Agni West has passed away. Which of the following he has founded? A option, irrigation facility. B option, bonded labor. C option, to educate tribals. D option, to eradicate poverty. And the right answer is B option, bonded labor. Swami Agni West, and the original name of Swami Agni West is the Vepa Shyam Rao, who was the renowned social activist and a scholar and a former MLA, and he served as the president from 2004 to 2014 of the World Council of Arya Samaj, which is the highest international body of the Arya Samaj, and he founded the Bonded Labor Liberation Front BLLP or Bandhwa Mukti Morcha BMM, which is a non-governmental organization NGO. This is the top 12 current affairs which I have sorted for your upcoming exam. I hope it will helpful for you, and if you like my video and my current affairs, don't forget to hit the like button, to share with your friends, and to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.